guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Mark, I can't ask, are those in diaspora, those in Europe, not America, Canada, those in Europe, are you people under a spell? Are you people under a spell that you will just wake up and I will see one idiot that is not contributing positively? We can't talk, say, with no hard feelings, so, but I want to give my own opinion. But you're not saying I jealousy because me I dey work my money, I'm okay. But how can a people be so stupid and they say they be those which we supposed to, we those we know they take class, like Worry don't they take class. Though people were very smart. I can't say those in diaspora call they so foolish. One person, you know, they work, they for Facebook, they commit havoc, destroy Edo people like never before, commit so much damage to Edo people like never before. You go can't tell now say if they do birthday, his husband know they work, she know they work. All she dwells on is to commit confusion, havoc on Facebook, to destroy Edo cyber space. Usually they make money, usually they do pay show, to all disrespect. Now say they buy car for one idiot. Una dey craze? Edo people in diaspora, they mad. I be the cause war back cause. Say make they not do prostitution. He can't rot you in a brain. Not gonna know what you want to money to do again. Seriously. The thing they wonder me since they look the cyberspace. I say I no go talk. I no want talk. I don't want talk. I no want talk. But I face my political mission all this while. But somehow, make us see talk. If this not spare, make we seek for deliverance. Because I not see what he actually don't do spectacularly, so wonderfully well. Where some Edo people consider they encourage laziness. They support laziness. Husband not they work, wife not they work. All they do on Facebook is to look for people matter to go do patient. All they do is for the husband to do director. They find people affairs to put on those cyberspace to destroy. That will wake up. Now how they donate for that idiotic family that has not clear. He never clear their name for DNA issue. What do they do, Sha? If they make me the shame for now, it that means say goodness now disaster now I want. To be truthful, to be real, it's no more pay. Now fake, deceit, none of the support, none of the prepare. What did that family don't do? What has that family done spectacularly? What did they don't do? What did they don't invent to make life easy for those people? Instead of to destroy people's page, bring that people page. Who work for them, they create page, right? When the person say no work with them again, they'll destroy the person page. None of they prepare, none of they support, they buy car for. Would that be shame and disgrace? Seriously. Would not be shame and disgrace. This is the stand of Omofuma. Would not be big disgrace to all normal values, moral values of human existence. Would not be big shame and disgrace. It's so painful, my people. Where we lose all these values for life? Where did we lose all these things for life? Where somebody we don't commit so much damage. What did that woman don't do now? I've been a spent juju. She came out the other day. They rake. Say don't put her love for bottle. Now if I come out, can't give her a bottle and I go buy. You see the bold the talker. The day the way they talk to Ibizugbe. The day when she talk to Ibizugbe, she came out. Indirectly, she exposed herself to she don't use now. They go bath. for graveyard. Make una dey donate. Let you people continue to donate. Make una dey donate for evil cause. I never wanted to do this broadcast, but the thing they pay me, I not fit keep her inside me. So I want it to be noted that if it is a spare on her head, make una seek for deliverance. Make una seek for deliverance. Make una clear on her head from this spare, this evil spare that has been casted upon una head. If you work for una head, see Ibizugbe now. Ibizugbe don't free. Ibizugbe don't free himself. Say na spare. This woman they use jazz. An evil woman. All the kids, old year, where they fell offender, where they carry her head, go Swahili, call beggar. You think it's normal? You think it's ordinary? It's when she take close on her eye, sha. But for me, it not fit close my eye. I not go fit become a supporter of evil on this Edo cyberspace. It's not my calling to discuss people affairs, but this one done too much. This woman, what is she do where warrant that thing? What do they do? Because the constitution had to the rough come up for husband house. Constitution Fiakodi had to use rubber to destroy the institution of marriage. Now me kuna come out, they buy a car. You don't see people they suffer for Nigeria. Husband don't work. After 20-something years for Europe, this woman not get documents. She felt divorce her husband when she did for Holland. He go UK, go meet the lazy dog ass. The lazy dog ass come say me, he now be Mark Zuckerberg, now be Microsoft founder. Now no computer pass everybody. They bring people page there, bring it down. There's something wrong with my mentality, seriously. And Omofuma, you might know me, you might know me say I dey talk am as a be, point, not fearing whose house is being God. If now one person they watch me at the talker, because there's a big hack, there's a big stop people, stream people stream, not for people not to watch. The Ambrose Ajelana wish. He said not go do like an Esa man. I see Kotila say will not forget the matter. Make it they celebrate the year car, Range Rover. Even the biggest ritualist, Ezego for Lagos that time, he died. So we're gonna do the ritual where whether evil the last forever we go know. Do the native doctor, go to Ghana, go to anywhere, make una dey do am, e no dey last forever. One day e go fail, e go backfire. All those juju una dey do, take dey blind Edo people eyes, e go end one day. E must end. Ibizugbe don talk say e wan talk. Ibizugbe, what are you waiting for? Come and speak. Speak for crying out aloud. Talk. What you want? Make I talk am. I know I go talk. Cause they watch you. Come talk. Because I was there when Monica, when Papa Wala call you, say you, mo will defend her. I will call talk. You come and talk everything. I know all of them. Papa Wala, Don Richie. If that one you want to talk, I know I'm gonna get some of the records on my phone here as I talk. Come and talk, Johnny Ibizugbe. Come and talk, because Monica cannot be giving you slap like that as a man. You keep quiet. Ibizugbe, come and talk, and let us spill the bean out. Henceforth, we got to spill the bean out. We cannot let this thing go under carpet. Come and talk. What in day? Come and talk, because I know a lot. I know everything. Come and talk, because this woman where they rake and she be Odunga. You know if they rule all the space like that, they think say everything they wear. All is not wear. Johnny Ibizugbe, come and speak what she has done. If the tape where I get, you get more, play all, because I get some. Before me I come out, come talk your own, because I will soon talk. Come and talk, because Monica na evil. Atori na evil. If Robert na evil. Those kind of people, we don't need them. Let us fight them once and for all. Put them where they belong. And those people they donate to evil, but we saw them. Their pictures should be brought out. They must be brought down this time around. Before election proper start, but we first curtail this buga attitude of this idiotic actuary where the buga don't carry a name, say they don't buy a car. Who they donate money for evil people? Those people in diaspora, make una wake up. Go find your mama, your papa, empower your younger ones, and stop donating to this evil child from the pit of hell called actuary. Make una wake up. You guys should wake up. I'm not come for saga, but I come for the truth. And the truth I stand for. You guys should wake up. I'm doing well. I'm not feel jealous of Atuari for a car. I get document with better pass Atuari document for Europe. I get document with better pass Uhunda. Your husband. Document. I'm not a jealous. I dey work. But my pain, my grievance will say, why are those who just sit down? They donate for evil. They donate their money to evil. They donate to evil. These people know they do anything. What the money can they do for now? Actually, what is she they do for now? Instead, she they teach you now. Gossip. Gossip, gossip, gossip. We couldn't wake up from our slumber. You guys should wake up from una stupid slumber. We couldn't wake up and remember the paro. Ibizugbe, come out, call talk. Talk your part. Me, I will talk my part very soon. To clear my conscience, I will talk my part. Everybody name where they involve me, I will bring her out. No, I not say anybody there. It then means say they can't tell you say that they get the pikin. Talk your own. Talk your own because me, I want to clear my part. Whoever someone will go support her. I was among those people that was called, more called defend. I pull out. I said no, I don't support evil. I said this thing not clear from my eyes. And then move to get our differences. Now there we take get our differences. If you not remember, make I remind you. I was in the middle of all this whole thing. I did inside when it start. Then we'll get everybody go different ways. We fight, I relax. You can't pull out again. Say you want to talk truth, come and say it. Because me, I can't talk. I know people will talk. But we cannot allow this evil to continue to rear its ugly head. They shine, say she they win. I greet you, Johnny Ibizugbe. I can see you. I see you. I said, make you call talk. I was there. I saw everything. Make we talk everything once and for all. Make we put her where she belongs to. We got to put her where she belongs to. How kind of people just wake up, then they donate, they buy car for poverty-stricken human being, we not feel work. Then they tell us that they shine. And then they use our people head. Then they take our people destiny. Destiny killers. They take our people glory. Our idiots not get sense. They think that they shine. They suffer now. Single mothers all over the world. They donate to one person account. They are rich. At the end of the day, they will be more impoverished for it. So if this be the last saga I do, we could finish her. Because I want face politics. There are better things to be done. Not this idiot where they say he don't buy a Jeep, he don't buy a Land Rover. We'll go kill you. We can afford Land Rover with our hard sweat. Hard-earned money. We can afford it. Not to siphon, use our people's head. Come abuse our people. Whether you they blackmail them or you secretly you get for them, whether they fear they give you money, we go know this time around. What if you hold on them? Now juju, I be they blackmail them. Whether they just sit there, they call you Lady Monica, lady under my foot, lady my axe. See them, Ajetoto, say conscious to you. Not being a man. Ugo, bleach your body finish, not being a man. Don Mumu, not being a man, they support evil. Men of repute can't stay under woman. May the wrath of God strike those men. They are no men. To stand under you, say they be men. Evil, stupid men. You were not born to be a man. Who be Monica? Who be Atuari? Who be Ambrose? Because they take the tune. If not be say stupidity. If they reason where. They don't fit separate the calves. Or you separate the men from the boys. You don't know say this one are fake. Make una arrange una life where say this one are fake. Una too mumu. Una too mumu. Una mumu they smell. I make monkey face the corner. Primary 6 drop out. Una too mumu. So now just see one lazy dog ass. You no get work. You never do anything. What you do? Sitting down, parlor, morning till night. Morning till night, they deceive una. And then they go, the Lady Monica, Lady this, may the word of God strike. Now if that position I can do for Europe, that destroy on her head. I think the palace will need to revamp on her head again. Position where they say they stop. Come become prostitute for Facebook. No what you want use the money to do, causing disharmony, disaffection all over the those cyberspace. What a useless people. Ibizugbe, come out, call talk because me I'll call talk.